Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer IRA contributions with TurboTax import tips easy to begin transferring IRA contributions using TurboTax. First launch the TurboTax application on your computer. Once the software opens, sign into your account or create a new account if you don't have one yet. After logging in, select the appropriate tax year for which you want to file your taxes. Navigate to the section labeled Deductions and Credits from the main menu. Scroll down to find the option for Retirement and Investments. Click on IRA Contributions to start the process for entering your IRA information. You will be prompted to enter the details of your traditional IRA or Roth IRA contributions. If you have contribution details from your financial institution, you can import these directly. To facilitate this, locate the Import from Bank or Import from Financial Institution. Select your financial institution from the provided list. Input your online banking credentials as required for verification. Once your data is imported, review the information to ensure accuracy. Confirm the contributions are reflected correctly in your TurboTax account. If you find any discrepancies, manually adjust the figures as needed. After making sure everything is accurate, proceed to the next section of the return. Complete any additional information required for your tax filing. Finally, save your work frequently to prevent any data loss during the process. Once you've finished inputting all relevant information, continue to the review phase of TurboTax. This review phase will help you catch any errors before you file. Once you're satisfied with your return, proceed to file your taxes electronically or by mail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.